Hello, my name is Laura Lepistö and I'm a figure skater from Finland. I started skating when I was only 3 years old and at school when I was 7, so skating and going to school have always kind of been the biggest part of my life. Skating has always been the priority for me, but then going to school, I think it has also been very important for me. So I think studying it actually has really supported my skating really much. I have been able to concentrate on my skating with full spirit, even though I'm now studying here in Aalto University, so I can study as much as I want and as much as I like. So I think it's really good that in Finland I have been able to combine those two things so well.